Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today we will study WH sound words. Consonants W and H together makes one sound V. In some words, it sounds as H. Examples why, where, and who. In word who, W and H makes the sound of H. So let's start today's video. Read along with me all the words. WHEEL wheel. WHISTLE whistle. WHISK whisk. WHIP whip. WHALE whale. WHEAT wheat. WHISPER whisper. WHISTLE whistle. WHEN when. WHY why. WHAT what. WHERE where. WHOLE whole. WHOSE whose. WHOM whom. WHO who. WHICH which. WHITE white. WHINE wine. WHITE BOARD whiteboard. WHISKER whisker. WHEATHER weather. WHIPPET whippet. WHOA woe. WHEELCHAIR wheelchair. WHARF wow. WHISK whiskey.